Good morning. Today is a new beginning. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly release through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. I want you to know that you are remarkable. The fact that you chose to start your day with intention, with stillness, with yourself, that is not something everyone does. That takes awareness. That takes courage. And that makes you extraordinary. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Now let us fill this new day with powerful intentions. I wake up today with an open heart and a clear mind. I am grateful for this new day and everything it holds. I choose joy. I choose abundance. I choose love. Today is full of possibilities, and I am ready to receive them. Simply being here, simply breathing is enough. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. I attract wonderful people, opportunities, and experiences. Everything I need comes to me easily and naturally. I move through this day with grace and confidence. trust myself completely. I show up fully and authentically today. Good things are always finding their way to me. Today, I create something meaningful. I am exactly where I need to be. This day is mine, and I embrace it completely. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly release through your mouth. Breathe in and let it go. Go out there today and let the world see exactly who you are. Carry this energy with you into your morning, into your conversations, into everything you create today. You are ready. Now go make it a beautiful